Okay, I'm going to see how this works because it is kind of hard to see, and plus we've kind of got low satellite reception inside, so we'll see how well this is going to work. Okay, so just a recap on the GPS for the boats. Okay, when you first get it, you're going to turn it on. Okay, when you turn it on, it's going to ask you, let's see as it comes up here, it's going to ask you if you agree. Yes, I agree. So you hit enter. I agree. Okay, first thing it is brings up our GPS, and it's going to search for satellites. Okay, and it's probably not going to get some up right here because we're inside, but I'll just show you the basics. Okay, and we'll see if it's going to work. Okay, so the first thing we're probably going to do is look to check out the tides. Okay, to see if where we're going to put in, and you want to go see on the left side, see celestial. You want to look at celestial, and so here we go is a Wanakar Inlet. So let's say that's where we want. So what you can do is, and because it doesn't automatically bring up the time. So actually, if you're looking for other inlets, you can highlight the Wanakar Inlet and look up, and you can tab through and go up or down to whichever one you want. Okay, then you press enter here. Okay, so we want Wanakar Inlet. Okay, so time, if it's hard to read, what you can do is you can tab down to this time, and right now it's approximately 2:40 when I'm taping this. So what we can do is we can actually go to 2:40 p.m. see on the time slot, 2:40 p.m., and that'll tell you that it's currently at a 6.2 foot tide, plus tide. Okay. Alright, so let's say we don't want to do that, and we're just going to go ahead and go to Joema or whatever. Okay, so to tab out of here, you have to go up, push up, and we're going to start the simulator. Don't worry about that. That's because it's not getting good signal. So we're going to go here, and so you're in celestial. So what you want to do is you want to go to, actually you don't need to go to anything. You could be in celestial, and all you need to do is hit your page key. Okay, now the page key just pages through different, however you want it. Do you want a top view? Do you want just the compass setting? Do you want a side view? I don't even know what you call that type of view. Or do you want just the information? Okay. Okay, so this is probably the best one to work with, is this display right here. Okay, so let's say we go out and we're going and we come to the man overboard where we believe there's some debris. Okay, what you do is you hold down man overboard. It asks you, do you want to store it? You say yes, so you hit enter. Yes. Okay, now you see the man overboard? Now we've got our emblem that we can kind of work with around when we start doing our slug trail to do a search pattern around. What you see is also the location of the man overboard is down below. If that's hard to read, what you can do is you can page to that display screen where it's nice and big for you. Okay, so see the north 47 degrees and the west 122 degrees. Okay, so that's our man overboard. Then we page back to our slug trail, and now what we'll do is once we start moving, we'll create a slug trail, and what you want to do is start a search pattern around the man overboard. Okay, now let's say you move and you've gone some distance, you've already done your search pattern, you've searched enough, and now you want to go back to the man overboard. What you can do is you can navigate, and you can hit navigate or MOB again. It says go to MOB, And you're like, yes, I would like to go back to the MOB. Although I'm already here, otherwise it would show you which direction you could go. And what you could do is you could either follow this, or you could page, and you could go here, which will tell you which compass heading you need to go to get back to the man overboard, and then also your distance. So of course I'm only a foot because I haven't really gone anywhere. Okay? To erase that, what you do is you'd hit menu twice, brings you back to this. You go to your tracking, or I'm sorry, your points. Go to points, tab over to your man overboard that you created, enter that, and then tab to the left to delete it. And you enter that. Man overboard will be deleted, yes, okay. And then just tab out. Okay, I hope that's helpful. That's all I have for you. Later.